Hello and welcome to the ICSE Class 8 Physics tutorial. The topic is matter. Before we start, आइए आपको एक शायर की दो लाइन सुनाता हूँ. शायर कहता है, ये जिंदगी तो बहुत कम है दोस्ती के लिए, ये जिंदगी तो बहुत कम है दोस्ती के लिए, कहाँ से वक्त निकलता है दुश्मनी के लिए, कहाँ से वक्त निकलता है दुश्मनी के लिए. कोई रुके के चले, गिर पड़े के थक जाए, कोई रुके के चले, गिर पड़े के थक जाए, गुजरता वक्त ठहरता नहीं किसी के लिए, गुजरता वक्त ठहरता नहीं किसी के लिए. Thank you. Question number 4. Explain the following on the basis of the kinetic theory of matter. First, why do the solids have definite volume and definite shape? Second, why do the liquids have definite volume but no definite shape? Third, why do the gases have neither definite volume nor definite shape? Answer. First, solids have definite volume and definite shape. According to the kinetic theory of matter, the molecules are held close together in a solid. The intermolecular space is very less, so the force of attraction between any two molecules is very strong. The force of attraction is so large that the molecules, particles, can't leave their place. They oscillate about their mean position. This is why the solids have definite volume and definite shape. Second, liquids have definite volume but no definite shape. According to the kinetic theory of matter, the molecules of a liquid are farther apart from each other than the molecules of a solid. The molecules of a liquid do attract each other, but the force of attraction is lesser than the force of attraction between the molecules of a solid. Therefore, the molecules of the liquid are free to move from one part of the liquid to another part. The molecules are free to adjust themselves to the shape of the vessel it is kept. However, the molecules near the surface of the liquid are attracted strongly inward by the molecules below the surface. Thus, the net force on the molecules near the surface is downwards. Therefore, the molecules of the liquid are prevented from escaping the surface of the liquid. So, the volume of the liquid remains the same. Hence, the liquids have definite volume but no definite shape. Third, gases have neither definite volume nor definite shape. According to the kinetic theory of matter, the molecules of a gas are at a very large distance as compared to solids and liquids. The intermolecular space between the molecules of a gas is much more than that of solids and liquids. Therefore, the intermolecular force of attraction between the molecules of a gas is almost zero. So, the molecules of a gas move about freely in the entire space available. Hence, the gases have neither definite volume nor definite shape. Thank you so much. Thanks.